Hi, welcome to today's video. Today's video is a core vocabulary and action video, and the core vocabulary word that we're going to target for today is in. In is a preposition, and it means enclosed or surrounded by. So now we're going to find our word in on some different AAC systems that you might have. On Word Power 60 Basic, the Touch Chat app from Sotillo, in. On Lamp Words for Life, the full version of the vocabulary from PRC, in. On Snap Core First from Toby Dynavox, on the 63 grid, in. Now let's use our word in for different functions of communication. I could gain somebody's attention by saying, I'm in here. I could reject and say, not in there. I could use the word in to help me express my feelings. I could say, I am in a grumpy mood. I could use my word to ask a question. I could say, what's in it? I could use my word to comment and say, I like it in here. I could use my word in to give a command and say, put it in the box. I could use my word in to give a greeting and say, come on in. Thank you so much for watching. I hope you enjoyed this video. If you would like to watch other videos where we do the same thing, targeting different words, check out the playlist that's attached up here. And if you haven't already, please subscribe to my channel and make sure to turn on the bell down below so that you get notifications when I upload new videos. Thank you so much for watching.